Welcome to Lee's RV and Marine.
Home of honest family values.
What makes camping special is the lifetime memories it creates.
It's time spent with your family, it's making memories.
We started off in 1994 as a automobile service center. In 2004, we got licensed to sell RVs and cargo trailers. And then eventually the RV business overtook our car business. As that progressed, we also had the opportunity to sell used boats, and then we eventually became a Yamaha marine dealer for the Yamaha Corporation.
You're dealing with a small family-run business, so you're not just a number.
We have a full selection from small little micro trailers all the way up to a 45-foot diesel.
We offer service from top to bottom, starting with basic safety inspections and walkthrough how-tos to full engine or transmission replacements and or roof, floor, rot repair to insurance jobs. If your vehicle needs service, we can handle it.
We also have a parts department here at Lee's. If there's something that you need special ordered, our parts specialists usually can help you find exactly what you're looking for.
We take in all trades. We offer financing. We handle the registration of your camper as well. So we do it all right here in the office.
Thanks for watching today.
We look forward to having you stop by and visit us today, or give us a call at 860-875-1444.